yense Professor Kithure Kindiki nigo bono aenekirie higikaro no kuomerana na babwatani ao kurwase chiwizara au bune nchiremo yogochia kwenekia Emeroberio ya serikali yogokonya abana inchi ase ogotamentekana kwerigoriria amabuta musiki Kindiki nigo bona atebire higitambukiro kyomo investor kuru isiko yense kwenekia kubeka Ekewanda kia amabuta ase ensemo ya Lamu nigo bona irachie kwenekia gokonya omo Kenya na bwigo mamenyi bworogongo rwa Afrika ya mocha kunyara koba gakonyora omweso ase gokina kwerigori iria amabuta.
The government has had really to work very hard to cushion the people of Kenya from the exact costs. If we didn't go out of our way, the hikes would have been astronomical. And I was looking at some of the countries in Asia, some of the countries in Europe, and I've seen the increases. The spikes have been quite drastic, much more drastic than even what we've seen here. So we are hoping that the feasibility work will end quickly, and we are hoping that there will be buy-in of all stakeholders so that we to create a petrochemical hub for our region, to cushion our economies from oil price spikes, and also to help our industrialization agenda as Africa and as the region. Kenya is very keen and is engaging the regional partners in this region to see whether we can have consensus on that facility being hosted for this region. It will create jobs. It will also cushion the economy from economic shocks. Lamu being one of the places that have been suggested as a possible location for this project. And at the moment we are having feasibility activities to determine the feasibility of possible location of this oil refinery, and that is work in progress. It's a lot of work involving technical work, geological, geospatial and other scientific aspects around port development and refinery development, petrochemical issues. So there are many moving parts which we are